movies, music and gaming. Full display doesn't impact multimedia, for better or worse. 128 GB of onboard storage is a good step forward, but lacks microSD support. The omission of a 3.5mm headphone port is always disappointing. When it comes to smartphones, more of something is usually better. That is, unless it's bezels, but that's uniquely not much of an issue for the Essential phone. Compared to most smartphones its size, the PH1 packs in more screen, and not just that, it hugs the top edge of the screen in such a way that it will either enhance or hurt the immersive experience of games and movies. And the bit of good news and bad news is that it does neither. While most of the apps built into the phone make use of the extended aspect ratio, almost all of the apps we tried from the Google Play Store cut off the top sliver of screen, making the experience fairly traditional looking. Unlike the LG G6, LG V30, Samsung Galaxy Note 8, Samsung Galaxy S8 and more, the Essential phone contains no options to zoom into an app to make it scale to its aspect ratio. It's likely this could be fixed in the future, but not without risk of chopping out vital information for many apps. This means that, for now, movies and games will look as they do on traditional displays. Of course, if you want to listen to what you're viewing or listening to, you'll need to connect the USB-C to 3.5mm adapter, as Essential has locked off the legacy port that many still consider to be essential, no pun intended. Take this how you will, but in our experience, connecting a dongle is always more of a pain than it is an inspiring sign of forward progress from a technical perspective.